Hey guys, so today I want to show you CTR top exchanges. Um, this feature is basically to help you choose an exchange, view other exchanges, see what they have to offer for you. So as you can see, I'm at the exchanges page. There's a table here with the rankings. Here you can see the name of the exchange, the main currency they trade with, a small summary, in a few words, what the exchange is about or what a unique feature they have. Um, Also, you can see fees, general fees, general fees. M is for maker, T for taker. Um, Basically it. Security, as you can see, security is basically how secure is the exchange. So some exchanges offer some layers of security that other exchanges don't offer, and usually this causes those exchanges to be hacked. So what Crypto Trend Rider did is to check the exchanges and see their security level, and as you can see here, most of them are very secure, but this is a top 10 list. So if there were more exchanges here, I would assume most of them would have a low rank security, because they don't all use security measures to prevent hack attacks. So, other than that, there's the reputation here. As you can see, most of them are good. One got hacked. So what I know is that this hack, if I'm not mistaken, it's not a hack. It might be also a security fault. I know there's exchanges that suffer from types of leaks, or like a company employee that forgot their laptop, and so it's not hacking, but they are irresponsible, so the reputation is a very important indicator. And the payment method, which is very important because some exchanges don't offer you payment with credit card and or bank transfer. They only get cryptocurrencies, so you might need to open up a crypto wallet so you can transfer your cryptos to the exchange, and then you can use it to trade to get other coins. um, this is the main table where you can see all the main details, but you can also click for more information, and as you click you can see that there's a new page. Here you see the ranking, and basically what you see here is the details on the left. Also, you can find the social activity of the exchange, and this is probably the best thing in this page, in this feature. What they did is incredible, because you can find that easily tutorials on using these exchanges. Usually you need to go to YouTube or to search the communities for people to help you signing up to the exchange, using it to transfer money, getting your dollars or whatever currency you use converted into Bitcoin. These details usually don't come that easy, but here you can see that there are tutorials that you can use freely, which is a cool thing because most services don't offer this type of thing, and I just wanted to show you how crazy it is. Also, you can open account directly from here, and it goes to the exchange. That's it, guys. So I hope it helped, and see you next time.